guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Grace Shicks. So today I'm going to point out on the video that has been trending on Twitter between Robert Alai and musician Ringtone Apoko. Top blogger Robert Alai has been arrested and detained at Kilimani police station on allegations of beating artist Ringtone Apoko with a wooden rungu. Mr. Alai is accused of hitting Ringtone's car at a roundabout on Loitoktok Road. According to the video circulating online, one can see Robert Alai holding a rungu as he comes out of his Subaru car, while Ringtone is seen picketing from top of his car before crossing to Mr. Alai's car and demanding an explanation. Kindly subscribe to my channel as you watch the video.